The location, San Antonio, Texas. The project, a 10-story medical tower for the University Health System. Over 1 million square feet, doubling the hospital's floor space. The challenges? Delivering perfectly flat, dry floors against a tight time frame, a tighter budget, and during San Antonio's brutal summer heat. 3 well-known contractors, Zachary, Vaughn, and Layton, teamed up to cover every aspect of the project. Like most healthcare projects, it was vital to deliver flat, dry floors. During testing, the team determined that the slab had more deflection than allowed, and some areas tested above spec for moisture content. They also learned that a primer had been prematurely applied to the slab in preparation for the wear surface installation. With the project schedule falling behind and the carrying costs mounting, they partnered with Intertech Flooring, who recommended the LATICRETE SUPERCAP system. By combining the power of the pump with the next generation of self-leveling materials, LATICRETE SUPERCAP has created a revolutionary system used to cap concrete, correct deflection, and mitigate moisture issues that can cause the floor wear surface to fail.
Well, everybody says their area is the toughest, and I've been on almost all of them, but medical is tough. With the moisture mitigation that we have to do and the moisture content of the concrete and the manufacturers and their allowances, it's getting even tougher. We test every floor, and if the moisture content is above a certain range, then we have to do the mitigation.
The lower floors on this job were the first that were poured, but we still ended up with a moisture content problem. And just getting Intertech in at the date that we did with this product has helped us with our schedule quite a bit.
If some areas don't need it, then they tell us that, and we don't put it down in those areas. So it's a cost savings when we don't have to do it, but the plus side, if we have to do it, it's done very, very quickly.
This product goes down so quickly, smoothly. The square footage you can put down so efficiently has made a big difference.
They can do 28 to 30,000 square feet in a day for us, prep it the one day, pour it the next day, and then we can walk on it the day after. So we can get in and do, like I said, 30,000 square feet a day, move on to the next area and have people fall in right behind them.
The speed at which you can coordinate other trades back into those spaces has made a big difference.
Intertech's new SuperCap product, when it was presented to me, it was a no-brainer because number one, it cut our schedule in half. Number two, it was cost effective. And number three, it had a superior quality. And at the end of the job, when I walk the floor and I see it, all those things rang true. I mean, we had a win-win-win situation for the owner.
As the LATICRETE SUPERCAP system is used on more and more healthcare construction projects, contractors and allied trades are seeing the benefits of perfectly flat, dry floors.
If you take the time and you take the cost and the quality all into perspective, or there's no product out there matches it. No way. The SuperCap product actually came in less than what if I would have done it traditionally.